Eagles are powerful and majestic birds with some incredible abilities. Here are 6 interesting facts about them. Eagles have some of the best eyesight in the animal kingdom, seeing up to 3 miles, 5 kilometers, away. Their grip strength is up to 10 times stronger than a human hand, allowing them to snatch prey effortlessly. Some eagle species, like the harpy eagle, have wingspans reaching over 7 feet, 2.1 meters. Eagles can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, when diving to catch prey. They build gigantic nests, some over 9 feet, 2.7 meters, wide, made of sticks, leaves, and even bones. They can swim. If needed, eagles can paddle with their wings, using their strength to move through water.